A solution has 25 ww solution of sodium chloride in 10 grams of water. What is the mole fraction of sodium chloride? A 0.05, B 0.06, C 0.07, D 0.08. The correct answer is 0.07. If the mole fraction of sodium is 0.25 in 9 moles of liquid carbon dioxide, what is the mass fraction of sodium? A 0.10, B 0.15, C 0.20, D 0.25. The correct answer is 0.15. A mixture contains 10 grams each of CH4H2O and SO2. What is the mole fraction of CH4? A 0.14, B 0.31, C 0.46, D 0.67. The correct answer is 0.46. A mixture contains 9 grams each of H2O and NaCl. What is the mole fraction of NaCl? A 0.15, B 0.23, C 0.45, D 0.64. The correct answer is 0.23. A mixture contains 80 of HCl and 20 H2O by weight. What is the mole fraction of HCl? A 0.15, B 0.29, C 0.45, D 0.66. The correct answer is 0.66. If the mole fraction of SO2 in H2SO4 is 0.2, what is the ratio of mass of sulfur and oxygen in the solution? A 0.166, B 6, C 1.8, D 0.555. The correct answer is 0.555. A mixture contains 80 of NaOH and 20 H2O by weight. What is the mole fraction of NaOH? A 0.24, B 0.42, C 0.64, D 0.78. The correct answer is 0.64. What is the mass fraction of 4 moles of sodium in 8 moles of hydrogen chloride? A 0.24, B 0.48, C 0.56, D 0.72. The correct answer is 0.24. A mixture of gases SO2O2 and 4G of N2 and total mass of mixture is 10 G. What is the sum of mole fraction of SO2 and O2? A 0.25, B 0.5, C 0.75, D 1. The correct answer is 0.75. A neutral gas that is made of nitrogen and hydrogen only contains 7 G of nitrogen is in a mixture of with total mass 17 G. What is the mass fraction of the gas? A 0.5, B 0.25, C 0.45, D 0.8. The correct answer is 0.5. A mixture contains 23 G of ethanol and 36 G of water. Some acetic acid is added to the mixture and its mole fraction becomes 0.5. How much acetic acid was added? A 25 G, B 75 G, C 100 G, D 150 G. The correct answer is 150 G. If the mole fraction of 4.5 moles of solute is 0.5, what is the number of moles of solvent? A 9, B 4.5, C 1.5, D 3. The correct answer is 4.5. What is the unit of mole fraction? A kg m3, B nm3, C m2, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is none of the mentioned. What is the mole fraction of sodium with moles N in a solution with moles of solvent N? ANN, BNN, CNNN, DNNN. The correct answer is NNN. A compound contains 40 of sulfur and 60 of oxygen. What is the empirical formula of the compound? A SO2, B SO3, C SO4, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is SO3.